Your immune system recognizes germs that could make you sick, but it does more than just recognize these germs. Your immune system remembers all the germs it comes into contact with.
That's amazing. I wish I had that good a memory. But it must do more than just remember germs, right? Otherwise, how can it fight off disease?
Yup, does more than just remember. It also fights those germs. Here's how it works. Your immune system is like your body's army. It has different kinds of soldiers. One kind is constantly on the lookout for germs trying to sneak into our body.
All right. So let's say my immune system finds a bad germ. What happens then?
So that's when a second type of soldier starts working. The job of this soldier is to act like a radio. It alerts the immune system to get ready to battle the germ. The third type of soldier kills the germs before they can hurt you.
Oh, I get it. So this army will recognize germs when they come into my body and then alert my immune system there's a problem. And then lastly, it protects me by fighting those germs off.
Exactly. See, you already know a lot about your immune system. But here's the thing. The immune system is amazing, but it's not perfect. It takes time for your body to create a strong army, and sometimes the germs army can take over before your army is strong enough. That's when you get sick.
So this is where vaccines help?
Exactly. Vaccines are like actors on television. They look like the real thing, but they're not.
So when a vaccine enters my body, they look like a certain germ, but they aren't dangerous because they're just acting like the germ?
That's right. Your body doesn't know that they're harmless. It just sees something that doesn't belong in your body. So it builds an army to fight what it thinks is a real germ. It gets ready for battle.
Okay. So that way my body's army is already strong before it comes in contact with the real germ, right? So if the germ does enter my body, my army is ready and can protect me from getting sick. So how long does it take for the vaccine to work?
That's such an important question. It can take up to 2 weeks for a vaccine to build a strong enough army to protect you. But if someone does get the disease after vaccination, any illness they get will probably not be very severe because they will have already built up their immune protection. So we've talked about a lot. Just as a quick recap, there are 4 things to remember. Your immune system protects you from disease. Sometimes it needs help, and that's where vaccines come in. Vaccines look like the disease, but are not harmful, and vaccines can take up to 2 weeks to fully protect a person.
Voices for Vaccines. Credible vaccine information for families, from families.